Just came back from Cars and Coffee. We're gonna be going to the track, Capitol Raceway. They have a wine testing festival and a car show, so we'll be showing up with the V3, with the C5, with our V2. Catch us out there. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. What's good, squad? What's good, squad?
Setting up our display for wine festival.
Where we at?
Raceway. Grab a couple of things out the stock room real quick.
Alright, opening up the camshaft. Got the turbo out here. Throttle body DSX.
Didn't bring that much stuff.
Yeah.
We got lazy and didn't feel like packing it all, but then we gotta go pack it all back.
Damn, John got the fresh Yeezys on. You got socks on, John?
I got socks on.
You sure?
I'm not white all the way.
Just like 5%?
That's socks.
Oh yeah.
Don't ever play.
What are you about to do, Habib?
Try the wine, you know.
Try the wine. They got these cups, 4 tickets.
Cup cool.
We're gonna go, yeah, they do have beer. So, this spot was good.
What did you get? What did you try?
Oh, try the mango one.
The mango got sweet.
They have mango?
Yeah. I got cups.
Oh, you got the whole bottle. Come on, try that one first.
Can I try one mango sangria? Yeah, thank you.
That's the one he got right now.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Thank you. See what this tastes like.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, it's a little late. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good.
This is a Hardy Red. It's a blend of 4 grapes.
I mean, that's the best, probably.
That's blood red.
Come on, y'all. Give us love.
Bro, you ain't trying.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it after. I'm the cameraman.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, that's the second one. I gotta get one of these two again. Come on, Doc. Come on, Doc.
Walk down, into the live music. Unique Pizza on the left. Got some good food. Had a cheesesteak from there and it was fire. Fire. Got the wine over here. So check them out. They're local from Maryland, of course.
Somebody out there real quick. What's the name of this band? We love y'all too.
Update. We got a couple more cars that came in. We're back. ZL1 6th gen in here. The blowers over here. Got the belt. See it? Black ZL1. So we'll be getting some goodies. We also have a good friend of ours here for some maintenance. As you see, that's not good, so this will be getting fixed. He'll be back on the road soon. Test drive?
Yeah, road test. Apparently it has like noise when he accelerates. He doesn't know if the clutch is bad or what. So
back. Runs good, but we did notice that it has some sort of noise, so we're gonna check that out, see what's going on. Prepare it, of course. See what Habibi has on the Dyno. Couple upgrades to this one. Breakdown.
10-speed 2018 ZL1. We did an upper pulley, big gold water 5, 2-inch callus header, 626, make it like 11.5 psi.
Just about done.
Yes, sir. Add some coolant oil and we'll see what happens.
Ready to make some power squad.
Some slight.
It's been pretty much running for what, like, we finished right before we went to Ocean City. Then he lost the starter in Ocean City. So we trailered it back, put a starter in it. And it's been running good. He's just been chilling, breaking it in. So now we're gonna try to really give it some sauce. Today it just, while he was breaking it in, he broke the AC belt. So he didn't really break it. I mean, it just popped off. We put a new one on there today. His AC's working now, so let's see what it does.
All right.
See if we can make Glenn make 1,300.
We at 950, closer to the 12, you know? Something slight.
So if you like the video, of course, thumbs it up, comment, subscribe. I already know. You already know. Yeah, we did have some stuff in the back of the G-Wagon. So. Down embroidered.
No, you got your in there, bro. That was my house.
Oh, whoops. Dang, alright, we're gonna put this chair back in the G-Wagon. Whoops, my bad, you know? Oh. Alright, of course, as always, if you like the video, thumbs it up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. You already know, share us. We have a Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, I don't know what else. Habibi does Habibi kind of things, so